We continue to improve, continuously explore and strive for each new victory. We are opening a new way beyond the dream. We always believe our dream, the new way to create a miracle. New way, derived from the road of innovation. NEWAY CNC Equipment Suzhou Company Limited, located at the core of China's economic engine in Yangtze River Delta. Defined in the middle and high-end CNC machine tool research and development, is dedicated to become a global brand. Excellence in the field of machinery manufacturing. NEWAY CNC rally forces from all over the world to pursue the most reasonable cost-performance service for global customers. Innovation has been deeply integrated into the new management system in every aspect. In order to guarantee our product reliable quality, stable performance, we use a series of advanced technology and management methods, including product data management, PDM management system, the structure of the finite element analysis, thermal analysis, vibration analysis, and so on. The ground source heat pump, constant temperature technology, provides a good environment for high-precision production. NEWAY imported the world's famous brand machine tools. For the precision machining of the key parts of NEWAY machine tool, effectively guaranteed the precision of parts, at the same time, improve the stability of the product. With the concept of no best, only better, we implement the quality tracking of production life cycle, established a full set of zero-defect management process from research to production, introduced the advanced inspection and testing instruments, strict quality management standards, accurately controls the machine tool manufacturing in each step, minimizes uncontrollable factors that affect the quality of products. SAP Resource Management System, combined with storage and barcode system, makes the management more scientific and effective. High-precision mother machines, equipped with perfect management process, build the international advanced machine tool production platform of NEWAY CNC. On the way to the world innovation, NEWAY keeps enriching product categories, which already has 7 series, a total of more than 200 types of CNC machine tool products, including CNC horizontal lathe, vertical lathe, vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, gantry machining center, CNC milling and boring machine, ball valve grinder, special machine tools and automatic line, FMS, which is complete coverage of the world's major industrial field step. NEWAY CNC products have been sold around the world, more than 40 countries, which won more and more customers' trust and appreciation. Advanced and effective service system is the wing for NEWAY flying. Advanced mobile interconnection technique tracks the service engineer, sends real-time notification to the customer, which makes our service prescient and more timely. Meanwhile, we strengthen the training of service personnel. Through the training system, implement the related certificates, continue to improve the effectiveness of our service. Because of the efforts of each NEWAY staff, NEWAY CNC is more confident towards the world stage. We set up NEWAY Trade Union to hold activities regularly for our staff in a family environment so that all NEWAYers feel the happiness and cheerfulness of growing up along the company. With the innovative concept, excellent quality, professional service, we're creating a global excellent manufacturer in the field of machine tool. NEWAY CNC, innovation leads the future.